poppin', all my babies? It's your girl Where Secrets, coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell another friend to tell a family member that we lit over here, and that's on per. So without further ado, y'all, I did purchase a bag from AliExpress. Now, I know y'all seen my last video when I did the pink tote bag, y'all. I had to double up and swing the block, right? Like, swing the block again. I had to get another one. So I know y'all asked me a lot about the tote bag. Y'all know, unfortunately, YouTube don't be playing with the, putting links down below. I think we, as a family, have came too far for me to get my channel taken away or anything like that. I'm not on that. I'm not playing with the people, period. So, you go on AliExpress. The thing is searching words. You definitely just want to search tote bag. Now, you're going to get different views that might have logos on them or not. You just have to reach out to the seller, send them, you can send them a message on the app, ask them, hey, does this bag have the logos or not? Unfortunately, y'all, I can't link them down below, and most of the time when I do get my bag, they're taken down within the next day or two. AliExpress, they're cracking down. I don't know what they be on, but they don't be playing either. So if you're looking on AliExpress, if you're looking for the tote bag, because they even have the, I believe the cloth kind is the canvas kind or the leather kind, which one I have, just go in there, type Tote, T-O-T-E, bag, B-A-G. That's all you have to type. Tote bag is going to come up. You got to click on there and just send a message to, to the seller. You definitely got to do your research, y'all. So you might have to contact like 2 or 3, 4, 5 and be like, hey, can I get a picture? What they look like. Do it have the logo or not? And then you go from there. So enough with all of that. But yeah, I just wanted to give y'all the juice because I don't want y'all to think I'm gatekeeping. Y'all know I'm not that type of person. If I can put links down below or hip y'all onto some game of how to get the goods, y'all know I can, but I just can't link it down below. So here we go. So y'all, all right, does this have my information on here? I think it does. Here go the bag. It's bag. Let me get my handy dandy scissors. So lately, y'all, AliExpress haven't, they haven't been taking too long. Like, say if I order it, this is just throwing out a day. Say if I order it June 1st. Y'all, I be getting my stuff like a little bit under a month. So I don't know what's going on. But y'all, I be getting my stuff a little earlier. And y'all know it's about to be fall time and winter. Y'all, when shopping, is definitely good to get your stuff out of season. So when it's summer, spring, you want to be buying fall and winter stuff and flip it over the opposite of the opposite. So I've been trying to, find purses for, for fall and winter. Because fall and winter, I don't be wearing like bright purses. That's just me personally. Now, like clothes and stuff, I'll wear whatever I want year round. But when it comes to purses, I kind of like want to match, wear something a little darker and stuff, because you got to think about like the salt and stuff that's going to be on cars in the winter. See, I live in Ohio, so we get like heavy snow or like snowing days, blizzards and stuff. So you got to dress accordingly. So, even if you just want to throw on some jogging pants, because me, I'm jogging pants out. Like, I'll wear nothing but jogging pants, boots or tennis shoes, a t-shirt, but my purse, I be pushing, cute purse. So y'all, I had to get this in black. Now they have like white, yellow, red, pink, green, like different bright colors. But y'all, I just wanted to get a black bag, tote bag. Yes, it does have the industrial glue smell. Y'all know they always smell like that, but none of that perfume or a little some can't handle. So y'all, first look, they don't have feet. It does say the tote bag by Marc Jacobs. On the back, it does have the Marc Jacobs style tote bag, location NYC, year 1984. We do see that little crease right there, but that is A-okay. This looked a little bent too, because y'all know, even though it be wrapped in bubble paper, it be alright. So let's get into it. So it does have this, the two handles. Has the gold hardware and this little strap thing that comes right here. Gold handle, or the gold, where you put the purse strap at. So in the inside has a little bubble wrap, which we can appreciate that because it can, keep its shape without being too creased and stuff like that, because y'all know it been everywhere. It's been everywhere, man. So, you know, it's been traveling. So it's good to keep that bubble wrap to, you know, keep it in its good condition. It does come with this black crossbody strap. Y'all know me, I put my own straps on there. I usually, well, not usually, I always get my purse straps from Amazon. I just go on Amazon and put purse straps under $10. And they usually have like cute printed ones, or if you don't want to take away from the bag, you can get solid colors, but that's what we do. So that's this. And the inside, you know, it has the little flat part right here and the little pocket. It's a, I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's like a little pocket. That's a major. And it's good quality, y'all, compared to my other one. I think it's pretty good quality. They're the same size. And they're the same, about the same size, yeah, for the most part. Got the same backing, siding, and they look the same. And y'all, it's a good price. I want to say I got this for like 20 bucks. You know, they run from, well, take that back, like 25 bucks, including tax. They run from like up to $40. My thing is, you click on one purse, usually if you go to the recommended section, all the way at the bottom when you click on something, hold on, y'all, I'm trying to make sure, okay, and it'll give you like other options at the bottom. Pick the cheapest one, because a lot of them purses, the prices be outrageous, so I don't pay no more than like 25 bucks for these purses. So yeah, y'all, this is my unboxing of the Tote bag. Definitely a good bag for the winter time, because I'm definitely going to be wearing this. I'm going to get me, not sure what kind of guitar strap, but it's going to be a cute crossbody strap. And hope you guys like my video and the comparison. As you can see, they're both the same. Yeah, I want to say the only thing is with the leather one, if you got the authentic one, this color would just be embedded and it would be a black color. The only black ones that have the white writing is the canvas one, which is the cloth one. So me, y'all don't, you know, I don't care whether something's clockable or not, but, you know, I get a lot of compliments on my pink tote bag. Ain't nobody saying, well, that's a fake, you know. If you don't mind something that minor, that instead of being black, the writing is white, then do what you do. Do what you do. So I hope you guys enjoy my video, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Hey, walk it out now, walk it out. Hey, now walk it out. Hey, now see y'all later. Hey, see y'all.